Hi students, today I am discussing about important questions in differential equations. In this first question, solve x y cube plus y into dx plus 2 into x square y square plus x plus y power 4 into dy is equal to 0. Okay, first write given equation. This xy cube plus y into dx plus 2 into x square y square plus x plus y power 4 into dy is equal to 0. This is equation 1. This equation is in the form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. This equation is in the form of m capital M dx plus n dy is equal to 0. Here m is equal to capital M is equal to xy cube plus y and capital N is equal to 2 into x square y square plus x plus y power 4. Okay, capital M is equal to xy cube plus my and capital N is equal to 2 into x square y square plus x plus y power 4. Okay, differentiate on both sides these equations. First, m with respect to y, that is dou my dou y is equal to, with respect to y means dou by dou y of xy cube plus y. Dou by dou y with respect to y means x is constant, y cube, that is 3 into y whole y square plus y means 1, that is 3xy square plus 1 and the same n is equal to differentiate on both sides, that is dou n with respect to x, this is with respect to x, that is dou by dou x 2 into x square y square plus x plus y power 4, that is 2 into, in this with respect to x means y constant, that is x square dou by 2 into y square constant dou by dou x of x square plus dou by dou x of x plus dou by dou x of y power 4. 2 into y square dou by dou x of x square means 2x plus dou by dou x of x means 1 plus dou by dou x of y power 4 means y with respect to x means y is constant, that is 0. Then 4y square x plus 2. Okay, both are not equal, that is dou m by dou y is not is equal to dou n by dou x. This equation, first equation is not exact form, therefore equation 1 is not exact form. Then this have one method, that is if method bracket lo rastunnanu, this method is if 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y is a function of y, then e power integral f of y dy is the integrating factor of capital M into dx plus small capital N into dy is equal to 0. This means that equation is not exact form, means then we can find out integrating factor. Okay, we can find integrating factor, that is first find out 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. First find out this. 1 by m means what is the m value? X y cube plus y. x y cube plus y. And what is the dou n by dou x? Here dou n by dou x is, this is the dou n by dou x. This is the dou n by dou x and this is the dou m by dou y. Okay. What is the dou n by dou x? That is 4xy square plus 2. 4xy square plus 2 and minus of dou m by dou y. What is that? Dou m by dou y is equal to 3xy square plus 1. That is 3xy square plus 1. Okay, solve this. 1 by xy cube plus y into 4xy square plus 2 minus 3xy square, minus into plus, minus, and minus into plus, minus. Minus 3xy square minus 1. Okay, next. That is 1 by xy cube plus y and 4xy square minus 3xy square. What that is? Xy square plus 1. Okay, xy square, 4xy square minus 3xy square, xy square plus 2 minus 1 plus 1. Here we can common, that is y is common, xy plus 1 and xy square plus 1. Cancel this. What is that? 1 by y. Okay, this is the, what is that? 1 by m into dou n by dou x. Dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y is equal to 1 by y. Okay, first we can first write this method, right? Please revise it. That is, if 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y is a function of y. Okay, is a function of y, then integrating factor. What is that integrating factor? E power integral f of y into dy. This is the function of y. Okay, then we can find integrating factor. Integrating factor. What is the integrating factor? Is equal to e power integral f of y dy. Okay, f of y ante ikkada, that is 1 by y into dy. That is 1 by y into dy means e power log y. E power log y means log y. Okay, integrating factor is y. Then equation 1 is, what is the equation 1? xy cube plus y into dx plus 2 into x square y square plus x plus y power 4 into dy. We can multiply with y. Okay, equation 1, multiplying equation 1 by y. Okay, by y. What is the integrating factor? Y. Then we can multiplying equation by y by y. Okay, y into xy cube plus y. xy cube plus y into dx plus 2 into x square y square plus x plus y power 4 into dy is equal to 0. Okay, solve. Multiply with y. xy cube into y, xy power 4 plus y square into dx plus 2 into y into x square y cube plus xy plus y power 5 into dy is equal to 0. Okay, let us, this is equation 2. Okay, let us, this is equation 2. Next, equation 2 is the form of, what is equation 2 is the form of m dx plus n dy. Okay, first we can write first equation m dx plus n dy. Then we can write here m1 dx plus n1 dy is equal to 0. Okay, m1 dx plus n1 dx is, dy is equal to 0. Here m1 is equal to xy power 4 plus y square, and n1 is equal to 2 into x square y cube plus xy plus y power 5. Okay, and differentiate on both sides. First m1 we can differentiate with respect to y. Okay, with respect to y, that is x y power 4 y square. That is, here with respect to y means x constant, x is constant, y power 4 means 4 into y power y cube. Okay, plus y square means 2y, that is 4xy cube plus 2y. This is the m1. Dou m1 by dou y is equal to 4x cube plus 2y. Okay, next. Next, n1 is equal to 2 into x square y cube plus xy plus y power 5. With respect to x, okay, with respect to x, that is 2 into, with respect to x means y is constant, that is y cube into x square means 2x plus y is constant, x means 1, y is constant, that is 0. Multiplication, that 4xy cube plus 2y. Okay, what is that? Dou m1 by dou y, that is 4x cube plus 2y, and dou n1 by dou y, dou x is equal to 4xy cube plus 2y. Both are equal. Therefore, dou m1 by dou y is equal to dou n1 by dou x. Both are equal. Then we can write general solution. What is the general solution? These are the exact form. Equation 2 is in exact form. Exact form. Okay. Exact form. Okay. Then we can write general solution of the equation 2. The general solution of equation 2 is, that is integral m1 dx plus integral n1 dy is equal to 0. Integral m1 dx means here y is constant. Okay, integral m1 dx means here y is constant, and integral n1 dy means here integral n1 dy means here x terms are not having. Okay, na? X terms are not having. Then m1 dx means what is the m1? That is x y power 4 plus y square into dx plus integral n1 means x terms are not having. Okay, what is the n1 value? 2 into x square y cube. Here x term is having, then leave that. Then xy also, and y power y, only we were taking y power y into t. Okay, next integral y power 4 is in this y power 4 is constant. Y power 4 is constant, x dx plus y square constant 1 into dx plus integral 2 y power y dy is equal to c. Okay, constant, we can take constant y power 4. Here Integral x dx means x power n plus 1 by x. Integral x power n means integral x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That is x n means 1. That is integral x square by 2. That is x square by 2 plus y square into here 1 and x plus 2 into y power 6 by 6 is equal to c. Okay, that is x square y power 4 by 2 plus xy square plus 2 3's y 7 6 3 is equal to c. Okay, you can take LCM. LCM means by 2 3's 6 3's 3x square y power 4 plus 6xy square plus 2y power 6 is equal to c. Then 3x square y power 4 plus 6xy square plus 2y power 6 is equal to 6c. Therefore, the general solution, the required general solution is, therefore 3x square y power 4 plus 6x y square plus 2 y power 6 is equal to 6. Thank you for watching.